Okay, so we are live with our video. I'm with period 2, and I'm going to show you guys on a Chromebook how to clear your browsing history. I think they call it browsing data. Okay, this is important. If you have any issues with your Chromebook not doing what it's supposed to do, or if it stops doing what it used to do and it's not doing it anymore, it's usually the first thing you could do where you don't have to call technology, you don't have to take it to the district to get them to look at. The first thing, probably the first thing they're going to do is to clear your browser, clear out your browsing data, your history, because every time you go to a website, your Chrome will keep track of that. So it makes it faster to load. So it has it in memory built into the browser itself. So if you keep going to the same site, it just pulls what it has in memory. It doesn't necessarily update that new site. Since Spark is just web-based, so you can run Spark on your Chromebook or your phone or a desktop computer. Any browser will run Spark, okay? And if you have a lot of problems with your Chromebook and Spark, I suggest if you do have access to a desktop computer, you use that instead to do your assignments in Spark, if that is available to you. If it's not, you got to use your Chromebook. Anyways, this could help. This could fix the problem, okay? So you got to clear. And the kids that have talked to me, I said, oh, Google it. So now I'm going to show it to everyone right now. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You go to those 3 dots right here. Okay, and you want to go down to settings. All right, and then it's under privacy and security. Privacy and security, and it's right here at the top. Clear browsing data. So if I click this, there's the browsing history. There's the cookies and other site data, and there's the cached images and files. All right, so we want all those checked. They're all going to be checked. Don't uncheck them. And then click Clear Data. And then reboot. Shut your Chromebook down. So how to do that, you come down here. And we went over this. Just signing out or just closing the Chromebook doesn't shut the computer off. You need to click shut down right here. This guy, shut down. Now, I'm not going to do it because it's going to shut me down. But once you clear your browsing data, like we just did here, then click shut down. Let it turn off. Close the lid on your Chromebook. Open it back up. Log back in. And you might find that your Chromebook works a lot better, okay? You could do this whenever you want. You could do this every day if you wanted to, okay? Now, it might mean that certain things you might have to sign back into, possibly. But when it comes to the ClassLink stuff, every time you sign in, you're back in. So it shouldn't affect ClassLink things, okay? It shouldn't affect that. So just make sure you shut down after, so that you give it a chance to fire back up and reconnect to all the connections it needs to. All right, fresh connections. And that should fix any Spark problems you might have or any other weird stuff that your Chromebook does. It just clears up the problem. I do this all the time, you guys. So should you, okay? All right, so I'm going to end this